Feeling overwhelmed by unseen battles? The Bible offers powerful, practical tools to overcome spiritual enemies and negative forces. Think of it like equipping yourself with divine armor. Verses like Ephesians 6:10 through 18, which describes the full armor of God, give us the shield of faith to quench flaming arrows of doubt, and the sword of the Spirit, which is the Word of God, to cut through deception. It's not just about knowing these verses, it's about actively wielding them. When faced with fear, declare Psalm 23:4. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. When negativity creeps in, remember Philippians 4:8. Finally, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. By meditating on, memorizing, and confessing these truths, you actively engage in spiritual warfare. These aren't mere words, they are divine weapons designed to bring victory and peace. So pick up your spiritual sword and shield today and stand firm against any adversary.